B-roll. No, not really. She doesn't want to be on camera. And you hit that, and that's record. Most places you stop, gonna have a little store, little restaurant, something like that. Get some nice sights along the way. It's a pretty beautiful ride through the mountains. Absolutely love it. And what would any rest stop be without a bathroom? 5 hours on the bus, just walk through the checkpoint, pass out your passport, they handle the paperwork inside. We're gonna go get a coffee real quick and wait for an hour and a half. Let's roll. All right, y'all, so here's the dealio. This is the Laos border right here. You gotta physically walk outside the country, walk about 100 yards that way to Laos, hand over our visa, get it stamped, and then we come right back over here and get on the bus. Easy peasy. Me and my friend are just chilling out here for a few minutes. It's all right, baby boy. Gotta wait for them to process the paperwork, then we'll head back over to Vietnam. Nothing to it. Get it. All right. Got my passport stamped. Took me about another 10 minutes waiting in Laos. Now I'm going back home. Let's roll, y'all. About 10 minutes at the border. Now we can get back on the bus and go back home to Da Nang City. Peace and love, y'all. Peace and love. Got our passport. Just left Vietnam. We're gonna walk right next door to Laos, turn around, and then we'll come right back and do it again. Get on the bus, just like Spike Lee said. Y'all, here's what's up. About 2 hours at the border total, easy peasy in and out. Getting back on the bus, going back to Da Nang City. This is how you do it. Easy border run for all y'all out there is wondering. Visa run, border run, I call it easy riding on the bus. Peace and love, y'all. Peace and love.